In today's video, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular dishwashers, the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher and the Midea MDF-18A1 Built-in Dishwasher. We'll explore their features, specifications, and user feedback to determine which one is the best fit for your kitchen. Whether you're living in a small apartment or looking for a powerful built-in option, we've got you covered. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher is designed for portability, making it ideal for small spaces like apartments and RVs. It features a built-in water tank, eliminating the need for a plumbing hookup. On the other hand, the Midea MDF-18A1 is a built-in dishwasher that requires professional installation, making it less portable but more powerful for larger households. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE can accommodate approximately 2 place settings, which may be limiting for larger families. In contrast, the Midea offers a generous capacity of 8 place settings, making it suitable for bigger households and gatherings. The COMFEE is priced at $299, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Midea comes in at $459, which reflects its additional features and larger capacity. Depending on your needs, the price difference may be a significant factor in your decision. In conclusion, both dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COMFEE is perfect for those needing a portable solution, while the Midea offers more capacity and features for a higher price. Consider your space, budget, and washing needs when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.